Celine and I are in Gardena. We're shooting a commercial for Buff and Shine.
Buff and Shine, thank you so much.
Celine, what type of car are we sitting in right now?
In a Lambo, Italian Lambo.
Today was amazing with all the lighting and all the special effects, and the crew was great. I just can't wait to see the final product. I'm very impressed with how everything went.
We're here for Buff and Shine commercial, and this has been awesome. We're super excited because we love what the product is going to be about.
So the image that we're capturing, those flares and those characteristics and what these lenses bring to the table, it's ingrained in the image. You're getting, what you're seeing is what you're getting. And that's like a beautiful thing. It brings commercials or movies or anything that you watch, it brings it to another level.
So today we're working with Buff and Shine. I'm Keith Jones, I'm the first AC. We've got this really awesome Lamborghini Huracan. We've got an awesome reflexionologist here with us today that's really gonna dial in the paint. It's gonna be
Alright, so we're wrapping up the day here. Just did the commercial for Buff and Shine. We have one more closing shot, getting a hero shot of the talent. I'm really excited about this one. Had an awesome crew, awesome team, and a lot of hard work went into this one. We're looking forward to seeing it out in the wild.